vessels, including ships for the Royal Navy and the Irish Naval Service. It recently made many of the steel sections used to build the new aircraft carriers HMS Queen Elizabeth and HMS Prince of Wales. However, work for the yard has now dried up. Babcock International says the yard will close in March. The company says it will offer to relocate all 199 employees elsewhere.
A new report says British music had a record year in 2017. Sales and exports were both up. Adam Porter has been looking at the figures.
The Measuring Music report says sales of recorded music in the UK went up 9% last year, reaching £700 million. The biggest selling album was Ed Sheeran's Divine. Other British artists in the top 10 included Harry Styles, Sam Smith, and Dragon Bone Man. The export revenues generated by the music industry as a whole grew by 7% to a new record of £2.6 billion. And the report says the industry contributed £4.5 billion to the UK economy.